Everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if this error shows up in Chrome. So let's get right into it. The first thing you need to try is reloading the page. If that doesn't work for you, try restarting your router to see if the issue is resolved. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try reloading the page. If disabling your VPN doesn't work, check your extensions to see if any of them is interfering with Chrome. Click the puzzle icon in the top menu and select Manage Extensions. Here, disable all your extensions and try reloading the page. If it works, re-enable the extensions one by one to find the culprit. If disabling extensions doesn't work for you, try clearing Chrome's cache and cookies. Click the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and select Delete Browsing Data. For the time range, select the time where the error started showing up in Chrome. Now click Delete Data. After clearing cache and cookies, go to About Chrome to check for updates. Always make sure Chrome is up to date because outdated versions of Chrome could have issues. After updating Chrome, relaunch it to finish the process. After updating Chrome, restart your computer and then reopen Chrome and see if the issue has been resolved. If updating Chrome still doesn't work, try resetting it to its default settings. Go to Reset Settings and select Restore Settings to the original default. Click Reset Settings, then restart Chrome to apply the changes. If resetting Chrome doesn't work, you can use incognito to open your pages, or if you don't want to use incognito, try uninstalling Chrome and reinstalling it. If all the previous steps don't work for you, scan your system for viruses and malware. In the search bar on your computer, type virus. Here, select virus and threat protection. Here, perform a quick scan, and if Windows detects any virus on your computer, follow the steps that will be provided to remove it. And those are some simple steps you can take if this error message shows up in your browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.